In a me kitchen me day, I cook and listen reggae. Hey, in a me kitchen.
Yes, my people. Jamaica life abroad. Yeah? So me see the cook up ready for the fish then. You know what I say? Yeah, man. So we are doing it over here. Yeah. So, you know, health is wealth. You have to eat proper food and look after, you know. Look out for the finish. Subscribe to the channel Jamaica Life Abroad TV.
Yam, banana, dumpling, sweet potato, and the whole world. So you like dumpling that stuff already. Man, what are you doing up
Yeah, no. Health is wealth, you know. Eat proper.
Yeah, they keep midday.
Where you pan? Where you pan? Yes, we people see it there. Don't know it go. Shall cook down and no joke. Yeah, pretty ready, you know? Finishing product. No joke. So come down to that here. Yes, my people. Jamaica Life Abroad TV. Tune in for the next episode. No joke.
Alright then. Alright then, bye. Bye.
You know, finish in touch. You go play it and look lovely. Look nice. Yeah, man, I finish in touch, man. Look like a 7-star restaurant. Jamaica Life Abroad TV. Thing loud, a bus through speakers and a ring ears bell. And look, the people look delicious, lovely, nice. Well done. Jamaica Life Abroad TV.